Hi, good morning, yeah. I didn't even learn anything in Italy, yeah. This is Indian macaroni. I love Indian macaronis. Now I can teach you people this one. Come on, enjoy this moment also. See, yeah, this is the raw macaroni. Already I boiled and kept it. When you have to keep it at least 1 hour boiled and keep it, no, the stickiness it won't come. That is only one tip. Next is I don't want to waste my water after boiling the macaroni. I'll keep it this. When I'm cooking, I will add this one. Okay, that is one. And next thing is already I boiled tomatoes. Boiled means you have to boil the water and put it the tomatoes to cut like this. Then only you can peel easily the skin like this. Okay, the skin won't good in the macaroni. So you can do it like this. Already I peeled the tomatoes like this. Okay, and you have to take one country one, and this is the Bangalore one is the sweetness, and this is little bit sourness. That's all. Now we are going to make it now. Fast, come on. This is the ingredient. Just see. This is a kadai. Okay. This is not boiled now. I kept it like this only. Then butter. If you want, you can use the white butter also. This is a cheese, garlic, carrot, onion. This is the paste, chili paste, and all these ingredients. We have to make the now macaroni. Come, we'll do it. There, my gas is ready. My kadai also. Now we are adding the butter. Not much because you know the color will change actually. So we are adding the garlic now. The aroma is very nice, the garlic. So again we are adding the onions. Make it this golden brown color. Yeah, this is, you know, just make it in a golden brown color. Close it. I told you several times the steam work out inside. Then not necessary to use the more butter or oil anything. Now meanwhile we'll make the paste. This is the paste I told you, already boiled, and I kept it the tomatoes. Don't use any water. The water will be inside in this only, in the tomatoes. Yes. See the consistency, just have a look. I told you know this water only I use always, the steamed water. Now add the carrot, grated carrot. Again, close. Now we'll do this. See how it will become so watery. See. The pulp also there, no problem. But anyhow, we try it. Otherwise, it's okay because when you're making the macaroni, the pulp will be there. It's nice actually. But anyhow, I'll try a little while once. Little bit pulp is there. It's okay with nice actually with that macaroni, you know. This also has to be golden brown. Now see this one. I'm adding the salt little in this also because already I put it in the macaroni. So little it's nice. The moisture will come when you are using the salt in this. Not require, you know, the burning, it won't burn properly. So this will be one tip. When you're frying, you can add the salt. This is only I told you know the macaroni when you're boiled, that water I'll keep. When I'm making the macaronis, I use this water only, not any other water. So I'm adding the chili paste, garlic and chili paste. How it's gone. Busuk. Uh, Actually, my daughters love this taste, so I will grind it in that and I'll keep it this chili paste nicely. Yes. Now we are adding the tomato puree. See, in high flame, now we are adding. Again, close the lid. Yes. Keep it side, then wash the water in this. When you want it, you can use it. Yeah. Let's see the tomatoes also. It's okay, nice actually when you're the macaroni with the tomatoes, half the tomatoes, it'll be nice to eat like that. This is the consistency actually now going to be finished now. What are the things we have to add in the macaroni? This is I bought from Italy. Otherwise, you'll get anywhere. This is not big deal, but I like it. I bought it from there only. So see this one. How much you wanted? Yeah, that I'll put my measurements and everything. Especially, I want to tell you, whenever the pizza will come, I don't want to throw this one. I use this only seasoning. Yeah, why waste? I don't want to waste. I used to tell my kids, you keep it there only whenever I'm making the pasta, macaroni, whatever, Italian food. So that time, definitely I use. See, so many I kept it. Yeah. I think everybody will do this thing only. So no problem. Just I'll use this one only. Okay. Thank you. Now we'll add the cheese. This only I told you I won't use much actually. One or two only for this much of pasta. Yeah. Yeah. See the color also. This one and little bit of this water. Yeah, now you can close it. Then finally we'll see. Yeah, now see the consistency. This is ready now, and this is the jalapeno. I like this one. I'm adding this one, and this is everybody knows olives, black olives. I'm using. Yeah, and mix it well. Now we are adding the okay, we can add the tomato sauce also. See. Yeah. Now we are adding the, this is, you know, according to your sauce. If you want more sauce, you by mistake it's there, then you can keep it in the fridge for 1 month, whatever, 15 days, 10 days, 1 day, next day also you can make it like separately. You can keep it in the fridge whenever you want it. Hot, you can mix it and eat. Now I'm mixing this one. Okay, I can also do that one little bit only. I can show you people how this. I will remove the sauce little bit. Yeah, you can keep it in the glass bottle. You can reserve it in the fridge. Now see, I'm adding the my macaroni. That's all. Yeah, very actually very easy when you start making. See, now we're adding the cheese and some milk also. And if necessary, this water I told you, know, when you boil the water, this you can add it like this. Make it high flame, sorry. Again, now you can add the one little bit of milk. The color will come nicely. If you feel, you know, less this is the sauce, then you can add the sauce also like this. I feel little bit less, so I'm adding the sauce. Add the sauce. Now I'm adding the cheese and this organ. 1 minute. I forgot scissors. I'll bring the scissors now. Thank you. Make it the medium. See, 2 to 3 packets it will go. Yeah, 2 is enough, I think. Just mix it like this. Again, finally we're adding the cheese. See the consistency. This is your macaroni is ready. Actually, what I will do, you know, finally I'll add the my Indian style of tulsi. I will show you that also. Final touch. Then we'll taste and let me know how it will be. See, this is Indian tulsi. So I don't know why, I always use this one. Actually, whenever I'm making the pasta, macaronis, whatever it may be, I always use this one only. Okay, final touch. This is. Now you can put high flame. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, your macaroni is ready. Now, time for the taste. See ya, now macaroni is ready. Switch off the gas. That's all. Now, time for the taste.